Hi there, welcome to Clarity. My name is Richie. I'm going to show you a little bit more about our product. Over the last 5 years, we've been working with teams across a dozen industries. And what we've learned is that the most effective teams always have the simplest systems. So that's why we built Clarity. It's the simplest productivity app ever made. Let me show you how it works. So in Clarity, every week starts with the weekly. Clarity will automatically generate the weekly for you at the start of every week, and it's the front page for your team. So on our team, what we like to do is insert a template at the beginning of every week. So I open up our templates, and I can quickly copy and paste this template into the weekly. Now that I have my template, what we'll usually do is set context for the week by describing the theme, and we like to add some formatting as well, so we can quickly do that. And now what we have here is our rituals. We report our metrics every week. We describe the theme of the week, what we're trying to accomplish. And then we have a few recurring meetings that we like to include here on our weekly. So as the week goes on, we have these meetings. And so let's say we're having our midweek sync, and there are some tasks that we've identified. So what we can do is we can quickly write those tasks down, and right there at the end of the meeting, all we have to do is select those tasks and say turn into tasks. And let's say that these tasks are assigned to me. So I'm going to quickly assign to Richie. And now what we'll see is that if I come over here and I go to my work, those tasks are showing on my work along with the rest of the things that are assigned to me. Let's go back to the weekly. So throughout the week, we'll return back to this and we'll continue to add things and update it as the week goes on. But let's say that we have a project that we want to complete, where we want our own specific doc for that project. So what we can do is, if we look here over our projects, here's a project that we already have set up. And we can write a full project spec for that project. We can use collaborative real-time editing, comments. We can have discussions right here in the doc. And what we usually do is we write out an action plan, which is a list of tasks that need to be completed. So now that this spec is ready to go, I'm just going to select this action plan, and I'm going to turn those into tasks as well. And now that I have these tasks, we can see that these tasks are not only in this doc, but they're also in our task database, along with everything that we wrote down in our weekly as well. So now all of our tasks across all of our docs are in one place. We can even create custom views of this work. So I'll show you what this looks like. Let's say I want a view of all of our active projects. I can quickly create that. Save it. Set some quick filters. And now we have these three views for active projects, work completed this week, and work due this week. I can come over here to the weekly and make sure that everyone's aware of what we're doing through widgets by adding these three widgets to our weekly. And now we've just directly improved the front page of our team with these dynamic views that automatically filter all the work that we're doing according to whatever criteria is important to us. And throughout the week, this will get updated. We'll continue adding to this page. And that's Clarity. It's running your team out of a single doc, all in one place. And now that we're doing this every week, something really incredible starts to happen. So as a part of our weekly rituals, we have a product meeting at the end of the week where we run a retrospective. And during this retrospective, we like to reflect on the week and decide what we're going to do better next week. So let me quickly include here a blurb of something that we decided to write about this week. Now, we do retrospectives often, So I'd like to see all of our retrospectives in one place. So if I select the word retrospective and I click tag, now this has created a page for retrospectives. And when I click here, I can see my retrospectives from previous weeks as well. And we also do retrospectives at the end of projects too. So let me do some find unlinked mentions, and I can see all of our retrospectives across our projects as well. So I'll quickly link all of these. And now we have this page for retrospectives where we can see what we're learning, what we're doing better, and what we're improving over time. This is really convenient for us to continuously improve a team. And it works for project docs. We can see all of our hypotheses in one place. We can see all of the learnings that we've had, what worked, what didn't. It just helps us create long-term knowledge so that when new people come into the team, they can quickly get up to speed on where we've been and where we're going. It also helps remind ourselves about the same thing. We think it's really powerful, it's super lightweight, and it rewards consistency. Now there's plenty more you can do, but I think that's a good enough taste for now. So we'll see you in the app where you can learn more, and we'll help you see what else is possible here. Thanks.